Hey y'all, welcome back to 4x4 USA. Couple of things to address. First off, why haven't I posted in 2 weeks? Here's the answer. I work for the Bureau of Land Management on the Wildland Fire Crew. I got sent over to Boise National Forest to help with the complex over there. When they call, I have to go. Second thing is, where's my orange jumpsuit? It's currently being patched up. I'm gonna get my name and Big Sky Garage on the other side. So until that's done, I'll have to be wearing regular street clothes. When we ended our last episode, I said we were gonna do a handle repair. So, let's get it done. This is the inside of my 1974 International Scout door. We got some screws we need to take off, take this handle off, and ultimately replace it with this. This one's not bad. It still works. But I want it to be identical to the other side. This came out of a 1970s Plymouth Roadrunner. Same company made them for the International Scout, except the handle part is a little bit longer, so you have to make a few adjustments. Take this off. This is the crank handle for my window, but it's broken. I'll probably replace it sometime or put a golf ball in there or something. Half these screws aren't even held in there. The adapters or the plastic holding pieces are busted out. I really need to replace those too. They're just a lot of money for little pieces of plastic. Until the door panel falls off, I probably won't replace it. Also, you've probably noticed that my inside of my door is green. When I painted it, I didn't paint the inside because I wanted to remember what the original color was of the Scout before I got it. It was also pieced together. Front right fender was silver. Back left panel was like gray. So when I painted it, I just wanted it all to be the same color on the outside and the inside. I wanted to remember what the original greenish sparkly color was. Here are the two mechanisms. This is the old one that came out of the Scout. You can see that it's a little bit shorter here. This triangle is a little bit smaller. This is square. This is the new one. It's a little bit longer. Comes with a nut already on there. This triangle is a little bit wider. It's a little bit longer. And this is round. This may cause a problem in the future, but we can work around it. Here you can see I have both door panels, the driver door and the passenger door. You can see I've already fixed this side because this is the side that broke originally and I couldn't get out of the Scout. This one I have to modify to make it look like this one with a bigger hole. So then that triangle can stick farther out of the door panel. Remember what I said. Measure once, cut twice. So you can figure out how to fix your mistakes the second time. 3-ish. Longer than 3-ish. Well, I think we should just give it a go. See what happens. Yep, that's the plan. Just like that. Kind of looks like the other one. Cool. Just like that, it's all finished up. We can go and install it now. Who needs to measure anyways? Something that I want to do just to make it look more uniform is spray paint it black. I think it'll look better on the truck because I already did the other side. So we'll spray paint it real quick just so it'll match. Boom. All right. We can install this guy with the clip. Hopefully it'll be a little easy. Probably not. It's never easy. This is a behind the scenes kind of a deal. It's all with the fill. This clip to go through. You gotta push down on the rod and push on the back. Get everything to line up just right. Stick your head in the door. Clippy-doo goes on. That's right. Oh yeah, son. Just like that. Just tried to rip my ear off on that lip right there. Grab my 2 Phillips screws. This part was a little bit difficult last time I was doing this. Boom. Shakalaka. Just like that. The other one in. Oh, like a glove. All right. Oh, nice. Twofer. Very nice. All right, now the hard part. Get everything to line up on the first try. Oh no. Hold this with my knee. Grab a screw. Find one that actually takes, because not all of them, not all of them work. Just hope for the best. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, son. Oh, stay. It's a little windy here where I'm at, so the door's trying to close on me, and I got my paper towels in there, and it's all sorts of messed up. The reason I never fixed my lock was because then it gives me an excuse to unlock the door for my wife first. But really, it just doesn't unlock from the inside or lock from the inside. But she doesn't need to know that. It makes her feel good when I unlock the door and open it for her. So, gotta treat your women right. I'd use a screw gun, but it just tears your stuff up. Especially these plastic pieces that are probably been in here since the vehicle was made in the 70s. So I don't want to tear it up because I don't want to pay for it. Boom. This part is finished. Just gotta put the handle on and the window crank. All right, last couple stuff. All right, I had to take a break for family reasons. And the last couple stuff was to add on the handle and crank. For the handle, I had to go get a bolt to thread into the end of this, because the new handle had a nut welded on right here. So, see how we can do this. Gotta get your pink handy dandy knife. Get a little slack. It'd be easier if I would have finished this in the daylight. Duty calls. Gotta do what you gotta do. Scouts and parts come second. YouTube definitely comes second, sadly. But I just do this for fun, so it doesn't hurt my feelings too bad if I have to take on some family stuff. Alright, last thing I need to do is put on my broken crank handle that one day I'll probably fix, maybe. We'll see. I always like positioning the crank handle for that knob that's supposed to be there, so it doesn't hit your knee while you're driving and the window can be closed. Bam! Final product. Doesn't even look like it wasn't supposed to be there. Cool. Well, that wraps up this episode. For our next video, we're going to be finishing the underglow lights. Currently, we only have underglow under the front because I was waiting on cables. But they finally came in and we're going to finish it up.
Now we can be fully glowed instead of half. Hopefully I catch you next time on 4x4 USA. God bless.